Hi, I'm Sandy Green, and this is my introduction video. Currently, I live in Colorado Springs. I've lived here for 18 years. I like to spend time outdoors when possible. I like to hike, camp, go canoeing, hiking, biking, whenever I can to get outdoors and whenever I have the opportunity. I'm also a saxophone player, and I enjoy playing in a little jazz combo band when I have opportunity, just in like coffee shops and that sort of thing. Um, I am a band and orchestra director for Colorado Springs School District 11 in Colorado Springs. I teach beginning and intermediate, beginning and intermediate band orchestra in 4 elementary schools. So I travel to 4 schools. My long-term and short-term professional goals. I'm currently working on a master's degree in educational leadership and will be completed in the spring of 2019. My goal is to become an elementary principal, hopefully in the next 1 to 2 years. I'm looking forward to learning about data collection concepts in this class and how it impacts student learning achievement. Um, I think that data collection and dissection is an important part of how to deliver effective instruction and to meet the needs of students. So that's my introduction video. I'm looking forward to this class and looking forward to meeting you, and thank you for watching my video.